Hold on before I explain anything. Just watch this video.
The sun is bright this morning.
Yes, and the fire is hot.
Come and play with us.
You are enough, with or without a child.
Still no child. Maybe it's not meant to be.
Till now, she has not given him a child. And a second wife won't be a bad idea.
But that night, something changed. Not because of what she overheard.
God, have I not waited enough? They say I am not enough, but you see my heart. Please give me a child of my own. Not for them, but so my home will not be taken from me. Alright, I made that using a free AI tool. No subscription, I didn't pay anything. And to be honest, when I first tried it, it didn't even come out this good. I had to figure out one or two things that made a big difference. Because if you just jump into it blindly, you probably won't get the right result. So in this video, I will show you exactly what I did step by step. But before we get into it, let's quickly like the video, subscribe. It really helps the channel. Alright, let's get into it. Head over to your browser and type Gemini Gen AI. Pay attention. The first website here is what you need, so click on it. Once the website opens, you get a notification like this. Select any of these options here and it brings you here. First of all, select video generation. As you can see, this platform helps you to generate professional videos using advanced models. These are the various models that you can use on this platform. Don't be carried away. I'm going to show you the exact one that I use to generate my videos. So swipe until you get to see this one, Grok AI, and as you can see, it's free. Set your model at Grok 3. Then over to the image reference, select the image you want to convert into video. By tapping on it, select your file. The next step will determine if your video will look amazing or horrible. If you have a good prompt, do well to paste it here, but if you don't, head over to ChatGPT, generate your prompt and bring it back here. Copy. And paste here. Scroll down to video orientation, select landscape or portrait. Landscape is meant for YouTube long form videos, while portrait is for YouTube shorts, TikTok and Reels. For resolution, stick to 480p and duration 6 seconds. When I signed in on this platform, I was leaving 40 credits. Right, you can see here you'll be generating your videos with 0 credits. So hit on generate with Grok. Next, verify that you're human. Once you're done with the verification, your video starts to generate. So be patient for your video to generate up to 100%. And there you have it.
You are enough, with or without a child.
Can you see this, guys? I just used this platform to access Grok for free. You can also do this as well. But before that, I want to know what you think about this platform. Please tell me in the comment section. If you're satisfied with what the website generated for you, it's time to download your video, and you can do this by clicking on the 3 dots and select download, and it automatically downloads into your phone or your device. If you found this video helpful, don't keep this information to yourself. Share it with other creators so that they can create free videos just like you. Also, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.